Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a scope box in Revit. So here you can see I have selected a scope box, and in the properties you can read scope box name, scope box 3, and we have some view visible properties. If you click here, and you can change the properties here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a scope box. Here in the view menu, above create, you can see here scope box. Click here and give a name and the height, and then draw a rectangle. For example, if you have a bigger land and if you want to give a small piece of land to a contractor, then you can mention the scope of work with a scope box. In the view, the scope box can be used as a crop boundary, or in the 3D you can use as a section box. I'm going to show you what is a crop and what is a section box. Currently we don't have anything, so these are our scope box. I don't have any model in the 3D view, so let me draw some walls. I'm going to architecture, take wall, and I'm drawing some walls. Just for understanding, I'm drawing some walls. Here you can see, so I have drawn some 3D elements. These are our walls. Here in the properties, you can see a section box. Now it is unchecked. If I check here, you can see there is a long box, it is visible, and we have arrows in all the edges. With the arrows you can adjust the size. So this is how you can crop the 3D. To crop the 3D, we are using section box. If you click here, you can read here, this is your section box 1. Section box and a scope box are related. I'm going to show you how. For example, so here if I select, this is your scope box number 4. I'm giving double escape, so I'm not selecting anything here now. Here in the scope box, if I select section box 4, you are going to see what is going to happen here. I don't have any section box, this is not cropped. If I just change this to section box 4, you can see this is adopting section box 4 space. So section box usually used to crop 3D. Let's see how this works in floor plans. I'm going to level 1, so I'm in a 2D plan. Here if I give crop view and give crop region visible, here you can see a rectangle. So all the properties lines drawn here are hidden now, but I can still see the tags. To crop the tags, then you have to check annotation crop. So now you can see, now this view is being cropped, so I can adjust the crop. So here you can see I have a scope box 5. In the view property, if I select scope box 5, you can see this crop going to adopt scope box. So this is how it works. If we are using scope box, I cannot manually adjust the crop region. In 3D, if I'm using scope box, I cannot manually adjust the section box. In case if you want to adjust a crop view or a section box, then you have to remove scope box, select scope box and keep it as none, and remove section box. Here in the plan, if you want to adjust the crop, first you have to remove scope box, select and keep it as none. Now you can select and change the crop. I believe now you are understanding the scope works. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.